Here are a few of the many amazing health benefits your body receives when you include at least 2 eggs in your breakfast. 1. Eggs raises the good cholesterol. Eating eggs leads to elevated levels of HDL, high-density lipoprotein, which is also known as the good cholesterol. People who have higher HDL levels have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health issues. 2. Can help you lose that extra weight. Forget counting calories and cutting out carbs. The key to losing weight could be as simple as having 2 eggs for breakfast. Scientists have shown that those who start their day with poached, boiled, or scrambled eggs can lose up to 2/3 more weight than others. The secret of the egg's success lies in its ability to make us feel full for longer than many other foods, thereby consuming less calories. 3. Eggs help with brain development and memory. Choline, an essential nutrient found in eggs, stimulates the brain development and function. It has also been linked with increasing memory power and alertness. 4. 2 eggs at breakfast can protect your eyesight. 2 antioxidants, lutein and xanthan, are present in eggs and have been linked to protecting eyes from damage related to ultraviolet exposure. They have also been associated with reducing the likelihood of developing cataracts in your old age. 5. Strong bones. Hard-boiled eggs provide vitamin D to keep your bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium and regulates calcium levels in your blood. This process ensures that your skeleton gets the calcium it needs for strength and structure. You need 600 international units of vitamin D each day, reports the Office of Dietary Supplements. You get about 45 international units of vitamin D from 1 large hard-boiled egg.